First graders, my name is Mrs. Clausen, and I'll be one of your art docents this year. This year, we are primarily focusing on art history and art subject matter, meaning what type of things artists portray in their artwork. Today's lesson will focus on how artists use color in their paintings. We will review the color wheel, and I will show you how artists use primary colors to make beautiful paintings. Artists use color in many ways to tell us what they see and what they feel about the world and how they see it. Sometimes they use colors in a very realistic way, like a picture, and sometimes they use their imagination and make something from their dreams. Using color. A color wheel is a device that shows all the basic colors and helps us understand how to mix the colors. Can you name all the colors of the rainbow? Can you name them in order? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. The primary colors are the main colors that help make the other colors. Can you guess what they are? Those are red, yellow, and blue. The secondary colors are the ones we get once we mix two of the primary colors. Can you guess those? Those are orange, green, and purple. Complementary colors are those colors that are opposite of each other, like red and green, orange and blue, yellow and purple. Cool colors are the colors that make you feel refreshed and cool. Warm colors make you feel warm and cozy or on fire. Can you guess which colors are cool and which ones are warm? As you can see on the color wheel, the warm colors are red, orange, and yellow, and the cool colors are purple, blue, and green. Poor Man's Cotton by Hale Woodruff, 1900-1980. Do you see the red, blue, and yellow colors? These are primary colors. Our eyes move from one spot of color to another. This painting is full of action. What are the people doing? We see the man and the woman working at chopping cotton. Have you worked in a garden? The curves of the body and the slashing diagonals of the long, slim hose make our eyes move from one figure to another. Hale Woodruff was born in Illinois. He started his studies of art at the John Herron Art Institute, and then he studied in France on techniques of artists like Cézanne and Matisse. He then returned to America, where he showed his work in New York art galleries. Sunflowers No. 2 by Vincent van Gogh, 1853 to 1890. What kind of flowers are in the vase? What colors were used? He loved the color yellow. He felt that the color of yellow was a symbol for everything good. It stood for faith, love, triumph, hope, and friendship. Are the sunflowers all the same? Some are open all the way, while some are very slightly closed, and some are smaller than the rest. He made many paintings of sunflowers, and one of them sold for $50 million. When he lived, he only sold one painting out of all of the works he made for about $80. He was very poor, but he painted anyways with the help of his brother. Marie Violette by Odilon Redon, 1840 to 1960. This is a profile portrait of a young woman called Mademoiselle Violette. Is she sitting quietly? Maybe she is daydreaming. All around her face and figure are dull, neutral colors. Redon was born in France and started drawing at an early age. He often painted profiles and flowers. He believed that his paintings were poems, like beautiful, dream-filled images. Woman with a Fan by Alexi Von Jalenski, 1864 to 1941. What colors can you see in this painting? These are primary colors from the color wheel. Do you see any details like fingernails, jewelry, or rings? Do you think this woman is sad or happy? Alexi was born in Russia and was in the military to start. He first was interested in art after seeing some paintings at an exhibit. Later, he moved to different parts of Russia and was able to concentrate on his paintings. As he continued to paint, his style became more abstract and still bright colors. All right, so the supplies we're going to need for this project are pencil with an eraser, white cardstock or construction paper, crayons, markers, watercolors, paper, one each, red, orange, yellow, blue, green, and purple, glue or glue stick, ruler or flat edge, cup or a circle shape, and scissors. Okay, class, I have 2 projects for you to choose from. You only need to do one. First one is steps to make a color wheel out of paper. Your first step is going to be to make a circle. Second step is to draw your lines to turn it into a little pie. Third step is going to be label those. Now make sure you label them in the right order. Yellow, orange, red, purple, blue, green. Next step is you're going to carefully cut out those little pie pieces. Step 5, you're going to trace those colors based on what color you wrote on the page. And then step 6, you're going to have all of your pie pieces ready to make your design. Now, for the other option, you can just draw a color wheel. So step 1 is to draw your circle, and step 2 is to draw the lines to break it into a pie. Okay, class, here's the creative side. You can choose what you want to make. I chose to make a color wheel paper lollipop. And for my color wheel drawing, I made an umbrella with a little girl in the rain. I can't wait to see yours. Please upload them to Seesaw. Well, class, I hope you had fun today learning about artists and the way they use colors. And I can't wait to see the beautiful creations that you share with me.